Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Slow English with Mr. Moro. My name is Sophia. I am so happy you have chosen to learn with us today.
Hello, Sophia, and hello to our wonderful listeners around the world. I am Leo. It is great to be here. Today, we are talking about something that is a little scary for everyone, not just English learners.
Yes, that is so true. Today's topic is small talk. You know, those small, polite conversations you have with people you do not know very well. At a party, in a line at a shop, or waiting for a class to start.
Ah, yes. The moment when there is silence and you feel you need to say something, but you do not know what to say. It can feel very difficult.
It can, but today we are going to make it easy. We will give you a simple map for small talk. We will teach you what to say, what questions to ask, and how to feel comfortable and confident.
This is going to be a very useful lesson. By the end of this episode, you will have the tools you need to have a simple, friendly conversation with anyone. Let us begin.
Okay, Leo, let us start with the first big question. What is small talk?
That is a great place to start. Small talk is a polite, friendly conversation about simple topics. It is not a deep conversation about your life or your big opinions. The topics are small and safe.
I like that. Safe topics. What is the goal of small talk? Why do we do it?
The goal is to make a friendly connection. It is a way to be polite and show that you are a friendly person. Think of small talk like a small wooden bridge.
A bridge. I like that. What do you mean?
Well, you're on one side and the other person is on the other side. There is silence between you. Small talk is the bridge you build to connect with them. It is not a big, strong bridge for deep conversation. It is just a small bridge to say, hello, I am friendly, you are friendly, we are okay here together.
That is a beautiful way to explain it. You are not trying to become best friends. You are just building a small, friendly bridge. So what are these safe topics we can use?
This is the most important part. You do not need to think of 1,000 things to say. You only need to remember 3 simple, safe, magic topics.
Okay, I am ready. What is magic topic number 1?
Magic topic number 1 is the situation you are in. Just talk about where you are right now. This is the easiest topic because you and the other person are in the same place.
Can you give us some examples?
Of course. If you are at a party, you can say, this music is very nice. If you are in a line for coffee, you can say, the coffee smells good today. Or if you are in an English class, you can say, this class is very interesting.
Ah, that is so easy. You just look around and say something simple about where you are. Okay, what is magic topic number 2?
Magic topic number 2 is the most famous small talk topic in the world, the weather.
Of course, the weather.
People laugh, but it is a perfect topic. Everyone can see the weather. It is 100% safe. You can say simple things like, it's a beautiful day today, or it is very cold this week, or I hope it doesn't rain.
It's simple and it works. Okay, I am ready for the final magic topic. What is number 3?
Magic topic number 3 is a little more personal, but still very safe. It is the weekend or free time. People like to talk about their nice plans.
So you can ask a question about this.
Yes, you can ask, do you have any plans for the weekend? Or if it is Monday, you can ask, did you have a good weekend? It's a friendly question that invites a happy answer.
That is wonderful. So our 3 magic topics are the situation, the weather, and the weekend. If you remember these, you will always have something to say.
Okay, So we know what to talk about, but how do we make it a conversation? How do we stop it from just being one sentence?
That is a great question. The secret is to ask good questions. There are two types of questions. The first type is a yes-no question. For example, do you like this music? The person can just say yes, and the conversation stops.
Oh yes, that is the moment of silence we are afraid of. So what is the other type of question?
The other type is a story question. These questions are better. They use magic words like what, where, why, and how. These words ask for a little story, not just a yes or no.
I see. So instead of, do you like this music? What is a better story question?
You could ask, what kind of music do you like? Now, the person cannot just say yes. They have to give you a longer answer, like, I like rock music, or I like quiet music.
And then the conversation can continue. You can say, oh, rock music is cool. What is your favorite band?
Exactly. A good conversation is like playing tennis. One person hits the ball, then the other person hits the ball back. You say something, then you ask a story question. Then they answer, and they ask you a question, back and forth.
So the big tip is, after you say something, try to ask a question using what, where, or how.
Okay, we have learned how to start and how to continue, but now another scary part. How do we stop? How do we end the conversation?
This is very important. You do not want to just turn and walk away. You need a polite exit sentence.
An exit sentence. I like that. What are some good examples?
A very good one is, well, it was very nice talking to you. This sentence is like a friendly signal that the conversation is finishing.
That is a great one. Another one I use is, I have to go now, but it was nice to meet you.
It's polite and clear.
Yes. After you say your exit sentence, you can say, have a good day, or enjoy the party. Then you can smile and walk away.
It's like a polite and friendly closing door. No more awkward silence.
And that's our simple guide to small talk. Let's remember the steps. First, remember that small talk is just a friendly bridge.
Second, remember the three magic topics: the situation, the weather, and the weekend.
Third, try to ask story questions with what, where, and how to keep the conversation going like a game of tennis.
And finally, use a polite exit sentence to end the conversation, like, it was nice talking to you.
We know it can feel scary, but like any skill, you get better with practice. Start with just one small conversation. Maybe just say, it's a nice day today to someone. That's a wonderful first step.
You can do this. Every small talk is a chance to practice and build your confidence. Be brave. You are doing a fantastic job.
And for our question of the day, we want you to practice. Go to the comments and write one small talk question you can use this week. For example, what is your favorite kind of weather?
We would love to read your questions. Thank you for listening to Slow English with Mr. Moreau.
Keep practicing and keep building those friendly bridges. We will be back soon with another lesson. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.